Hey, I'm Sandra Sweetman, founder of Heart Meta, and I assist people on their personal journey throughout their life, people of all ages. It's been really, really good because I find it very motivating. I found it, initially starting out, everybody is really, really friendly and very welcoming. And for anybody who is a little bit shy, there's no need to be shy at all because everybody makes you feel so comfortable right away. My biggest takeaway is since, I do work with people and I'm delivering workshops all day long. For me, this was taking me out of my comfort zone to go to be on the other side, on the receiving side of it. And my biggest takeaway was finding out, okay, where are my vulnerabilities? I'm very comfortable talking to 500 people, and now it's like suddenly, what is this about? And so it's been very useful. And I love how everyone, all the coaches, because that's another thing is having so many different coaches, you're not just working with one person. It's like you're able to identify what areas where you feel you could stretch and grow. And it's not at all intimidating. So one of my things, which I've mentioned to you, is looking at that green dot like I am now, right? With nobody on the other side. It's very, very different from speaking, to an audience and, several hundred people on Zoom even. So it's the takeaway is it's okay that you have these vulnerabilities, no matter how old you are. And there's always something to learn and grow. And this program is helping me a lot with that. I think it requires a level of commitment. Certainly, and it's not only the financial commitment. And so if you're just dabbling, it's like, well, go do something else, because there is commitment, as I said, not only a financial commitment, but a commitment of time and what your intentions are. Having said that, what I do like about this program is it's not like you're confined to a time. So there's no pressure that you have to complete this, within 6 weeks or whatever. So as long as you are committed to your path, and also something to consider that if you're hesitating because it's like, okay, this is taking me out of my comfort zone, is that there are many, many people to support you on that journey of going out of your comfort zone. And I, for one, with my work, certainly we can gain without pain. However, it's, when we're wanting to grow, then that means getting out of your cozy little nook, right? And going out of that. So yes, so I would think that's the main thing to consider for sure.